What's up, you guys? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jen. Today's video is sponsored by Gorgius Hair. They sent me a beautiful wig, but first let's get into the gifts. We have a lot of gifts here. Look at all these gifts that they sent, everything that you need to install your wig. Okay, and this gorgeous bag that it came in, here is the wig, you guys. This is the curly shag wig style with wispy bangs. This is a throw on and go unit, you guys. You don't have to deal with any lace, any baby hairs, nothing like that. It's low maintenance. Just get a spray bottle, put some water in it and conditioner or whatever, just water, and spray your hair and go ahead, girl. There's so many different styles you can style this hair in, and I'm going to show you guys. The first style is the wet look. I'm just going to go ahead and spray the hair down with some water and show you guys how that look, and I will be back with the rest. Now I'm gonna go in with my diffuser to have a, just a dry, normal look. I like to use the diffuser on my curly units because it just makes the curls pop. I rather do this than to have it air dry, but if you don't have a diffuser, air drying is a option as well. And this is the fluffy look, you guys. I like to just go ahead and use my comb and pick it until it gets big. Y'all know I love big hair, so y'all let me know in the comment section below which style or which, you know, look do you prefer. I would like to thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you.